So alhamdulillah, we continue. This is the button from the previous video. We continue right from here. This is the button now. From the button here, what did not happen? It can to this guy we call controller. Inside controller, now they can create the function. We not do nothing. So this is for load the record. All we to do now, now for load the record only. Now this add column. Now yeah. If I click now, you see if you have 20, 30, 40, 50 records in there, it is loader. Now let me just create another. Let me just add other one here. This one, let me just add other record. In fact, now puts me normally. So the date we take as of today dates. Then let's save another database. So okay, save one for you. It don't save. It don't see record don't save. If you can add two record on can. So we download that. You download this record, download this record. Good. Now let me see how this function they operate. Now this we can discuss now. You see, always to explain how you enable loader now only. Now look at how this man operates. Look at now you will call. You don't see, you don't change that. Now 29, you see that. Now you can take this one, 30. ID 30. You know, the cancel your ID 30, you don't see? Good. So let's see how it work. We can answer this controller. We define a function we call load record. This load record, what you do, we make a request. Why we make a request? This request is very, very important. The request you will render the entire form. What do you mean by entire form? This one will design also, yeah. Not so this one I have. Now this we request for. We say let's go check the or let's check for the entire form. This whole form now itself, in fact. For area where a field name where a name load branch ID. If you know null, you did the movement, you see what if you do for me, follow that field there, make sure that we declare a variable, take that field there, convert it for you to string, clean and trim the empty space, one pull there. Then splitter. Why for splitter? You get a key value where separate because a list. You get a key value where separator. Split them, scatter them for me by this key value. Let's see the key value where they did. Watch her. You see what is you don't see her? So what is like this? You see what in there? The key value 9 and after the 30. Good. So you see scatter them by this key value. Then take the first index. What is the first index? Index 0. Look at this is the first index, this is the second index. First index, second index. Index 0, that 30, now in no more need. Now in the ID. Take them for me, send an IR. If you don't send an IR, good. Now be in string. But what you be in the day, normal one now be integer. Now number. So now they can declare a number. What should they do? We convert and this now for converter into number. We convert her, who don't convert her, we send an IR. Once we don't send an IR, we can check a condition now. We say, let's check if the text box not to null. Something the day. If it's something the day, what you do now? We declare back another variable now. Because why we declare a variable? We want for can loader and retrieve and send another view. We say go to the database now. That record where you don't hold when at 30. Go to the database, look for a table and call branch, look there for this ID. Send the ID there for winner. We don't get them. Make sure that's populated and the view. Let people able to see all the record the way they would have ID. Now you don't do now so. But if this condition not meets, this condition will give that if you not meet, left for the form as it been there initially. This same one we take now in back they put now from this first condition we make. Now nested if in back now if the request this ID not did at all, left for the form like I be the normal. You don't see? So now this one, the fire, we will load the record send. We don't copy this whole method now. Go to the index. Go look at the action results. Sorry. We said the action result. expand this guy. We start the button action result. Now in this paste and there. Meaning go to controller we then call branch. Inside the function we then call action result. Then do what you for do. That's all. So this now the function is what they use for retrieve record. Alhamdulillah, we can go now to the one way we they use for update record. For example, if this name, not this name supposed for the day, adjust this so name, you know they will update the record. So we can do now the update record in the next video. We can get any form for design. Now just the button we they manipulate, and then the same button they use for do save and update at the same time. Don't get too much of button. So wait for the next video. Let know how for update record. We don't deal with how for add. We don't deal with how for retrieve. Now we can deal with how for update record. After, how for delete record.